Hello students, welcome to the Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 25 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, the question is the number of photons of light having wave number x is 1 joule of energy source is. Here we need to find the number of protons, number of photons. We know the energy formula, energy E equal to NH nu, energy E equal to NH nu, right? So they have given energy that is 1 joule. So capital E equal to 1 joule and H equal to Planck constant, and nu is frequency. And N equal to number of photons. And from that question they have given wave number, so that is nu bar. Wave number value is x, so nu bar equal to x. We know that wave number is reciprocal of the wavelength, so that is equal to 1 by lambda, right? So if you see the frequency, what is the formula for the frequency? Frequency is c by lambda, c equal to velocity of the light, right? We can re-modify the equation, that is E equal to nhc by lambda. From this equation we need to find the number of protons, that is n, right? So here n equal to E lambda. So here we know that we can write the equation E equal to NHC into 1 by lambda, that is equal to wave number E equal to NHC nu bar, right? Now we can find the number of photons, that is n. So we know the E value E, so E equal to E by HC nu bar, that is equal to 1 by HCx. So the number of photons n equal to 1 by HCx. So this is the answer. So the number of photons of light having wave number is x and 1 joule of energy source is the number of photons equal to 1 by HCx. So the correct option is fourth option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is, which of the following alkali metal has lowest work function? So we know the formula, energy equal to kinetic energy into kinetic energy plus phi. So phi is a work function here, work function, right? So by this formula we can say that energy directly proportional to work function, energy directly proportional to work function. So here the energy is the ionization energy of these elements. So if you see the option, they have given 4 elements. One is sodium and potassium and cesium and rubidium, right? So among these elements, which one has the lowest ionization energy? That has the lowest wave function, lowest work function, right? So which of the following alkali metal has lowest work function means which among the 4 metals, which one has the lowest ionization energy? Ionization energy. So among the 4 alkali metals, which one has the lowest ionization energy? That has the lowest work function. So in these metals, cesium has lowest ionization energy. Cesium has lowest ionization energy, that is equal to E. Then it has the lowest work function. So the correct option is the third option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is the ratio of energies of photon with wavelength 2000 angstroms and 4000 angstroms. They have given two wavelengths, one is 2000 angstrom, another one is 4000 angstrom. So here we need to find the ratio of energies. So we know the energy formula E equal to NH nu. E equal to NH nu. Then we can write it equation E equal to NHC by lambda. NHC by lambda. We need to find the ratio of energies. That means E1 by E2. E1 by E2. They have given two wavelengths, that is lambda 1 2000 angstroms and lambda 2 4000 angstroms. Right? Now see the formulas. E1 equal to NHC by lambda 1 whole by NHC by lambda 2. So NHC will be cancelled. So then E1 by E2 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1, which is equal to 4000 by 2000. So it will be cancelled. You will get 2 by 1. So the ratio of energy is E1 is to E2, which is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Right? So the correct option is the fourth option. Clear? Let's move on to the next problem. Here the question, in the ratio of energies of two different radiations whose frequencies are 3 into 10 power 14 Hz and 5 into 10 power 14 Hz. So here also we need to find the ratio of energies, but here they have given two frequencies. One is nu 1 3 into 10 power 14, another one is 5 into 10 power 14. We know the formula of energy E equal to H nu, right? E equal to H nu. So they have given frequencies nu 1 equal to 3 into 10 power 14 and nu 2 equal to 3 into 5 into 10 power 14. Now ratio of two radiations E1 by E2 equal to H nu 1 by H nu 2. So H will be cancelled. Then E1 by E2 equal to, what is the nu 1? 3 into 10 power 14 by 5 into 10 power 14, right? So then 3 by 5. The ratio of two radiations equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5. That is equal to 3 is to 5. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next problem. Here the question, in photoelectric effect, the energy of photon striking a metallic surface is 5.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So they have given energy, so E equal to 5.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules, right? So the kinetic energy of ejected electron is kinetic energy. So KE equal to kinetic energy of ejected electron is 12 into 10 power minus 20. 12 into minus 20 joules. So now we need to find the work function. We need to find the work function, right? So we know the work function energy formula E equal to KE minus phi. So phi is here work function. We need to find the phi. So phi equal to E minus KE. E minus, that is potential energy, kinetic energy, right? So they have given energy E equal to 5.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules and kinetic energy equal to 12 into 10 power minus 20. This we can written as 1.2 into 10 power minus 19 joules for our convenience, right? Now the work function phi equal to E, that is 5.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules minus 1.2 into 10 power minus 19 joules, right? Now take the common of 10 power minus 19, 5.6 minus 1.2 whole into 10 power minus 19 joules, then we will get them 4.4 into 10 power minus 19 joules. That is the work function phi, right? So the correct option is third option. Clear? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.